There is a unique kind of magic that only happens when the rain meets the countryside. Welcome to the sanctuary of the Rose Cottage, where time seems to stand still as the clouds roll in. Outside, a steady summer downpour breathes life into the garden. Vibrant pink roses and white lilies bow under the weight of the rain, while the scent of damp earth and fresh blooms fills the air. It's nature's own symphony playing against the stone walls. Step inside and the world goes quiet. The rhythm of rain on the window pane is the only sound you need. With a steaming cup of tea and the soft glow of a candle, the chill of the storm feels miles away. Whether you're tucked away in a reading nook or watching the mist settle over the hills, this is a place designed for deep breaths. It's a masterclass in the art of slow living. In a world that never stops moving, there is something beautiful about finding a home that invites you to just stay. Could you live in a place as peaceful as this? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more dream home inspiration.